Hi guys, Anthony here from Finding Our Adventure. Today let's talk about magnetic declination in this very short video. I have a list of maps here ranging from the 1950s all the way up to present. And what most of them have in common is they have some way to tell you which way true north is and what the magnetic declination for that backpacking or wilderness area is. It's very important to know that information so that you can preload it into your compass so that you don't get lost on trail. Let's look at a basic map that you can find online or print. This is a map found on hikingguide.com and I've laminated it. It shows you a north indication that is straight up the page, which most maps do. They're going to print north to south. And you can see a magnetic declination with an arrow off to the side that is reading 13 degrees, which means that true north and magnetic north differ by 13 degrees. So if we were to put this at north, north is straight this way for me, but it's basically saying the map is going to be about 13 degrees off, which is about a step in one direction. That can be a big difference over a few miles. So we need to set our compass to that magnetic declination to get magnet and true north lined up. And there's two ways of doing that. Either you're going to add those 13 degrees to your bearing every time you take a bearing in the field. So let's say we had a bearing of 20 that I needed to follow. I would then make that bearing 33 instead. I'm adding 13, okay? So you either have to remember to do that, or you buy a compass like this, or a Sunto, or something similar, where the back can adjust. And now you can adjust the back for the magnetic declination, which we've already done here. It's adjusted to 13 degrees. That's hard to see. So now this compass is already set up to true north for the map and for the region that I'm going to be backpacking in, so that when I'm there and I say I take a bearing, and let's say I'm taking a bearing and I want to shoot up this way of 310 degrees, I know that now when I go to find that bearing of 310 degrees, that I am following true north. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick down and dirty video. I wanted to make it very brief. Please leave a comment down below if you want me to elaborate on this more. And if you enjoyed this, we'll actually talk about how to take a bearing in the field, how to transition that to a map, or how to take a bearing on a map and transition that into the field. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.